Okay, we're gonna do the electrical test to see what we got going on here.
That is neutral.
Is there a light on over there someplace? Oh, you got idiot lights on. All right.
Yeah.
Idiot lights. Where's the headlight? Does the headlight work? Ooh. We have a light. Do you have a high-low? That's high, that's low. High, low, high,
Yep.
low. So you run this thing on high all the time, I guess?
Yep, I do. I just leave it on
Just
high.
blind to everybody.
That,
He doesn't care, he just blinds
that doesn't
everybody.
blind anybody. You see what guys are running on bikes now? You don't even think you really don't even think I have a light on when I got lights on this thing.
Well, yeah, rid my bike, I got no light. Okay, so that part worked. How about everything else on your side up there?
I got dash lights, everybody. I don't have these lights, but I don't know if I did have these lights before.
You don't know if they work anyway. Well, if you want to do something about that, now is the time to do it. So, you pick up some little ballies someplace, or what are they? Which ones are not working? The oil pressure's dull. That's not on.
See lights on with me.
Wire is hooked up. Can't see in there really to see. You have to get in there with a really good flashlight to see what's happening on that.
The dash lights are lit up.
But this one here is not on, right?
I don't even know if the accessory lights are on. I wonder if they don't have lights on there. I don't know.
No, they'd have lights on them. I'm pretty sure Harley made these bikes to ride at night. So is this one lit up yet?
No.
See, this socket is loose under here.
Can't tell if there's lights there at all. Any of them. How could they
There's a
all
little
not
corrosion going right there, but
How could they all not light up? That wouldn't make any sense with it. I guess
No.
we'll pull the light and see what's going on here.
I think we'll have to do electrical test. I got orange and black. What do you got, orange and black? I think orange and black is the light. So that's an orange. So follow the orange wire to the power source. Orange is usually accessory power for all your accessory shit on Harley. So follow the oranges. This one, we got two oranges on this bulb. So,
Putting these, these bolts, are these
the screws, yeah.
screws
With those.
to the,
Yeah, I know.
so you start looking for them.
Okay, they go into this main bundle right here. All these orange things go into this bundle. Okay, where's this bundle? Just follow the bundle. Is there anything that's not connected on this bundle?
That's not gonna affect it.
That should be an out light deal. This goes in the main harness from there. It looks like you got stuff to it. I have to have an idiot light to check for power. I got good access to power. I got an idiot light real quick. Okay. We're gonna have to find something that's got ground to it. Try the mirror. Try the mirror stem. Okay, what do you think you might have power? Radio? Where's the horn? Oh, a cigarette lighter.
Something just popped.
I think I just popped the breaker. Well, we had power on that accessory line, so it just lit off. Right. Is there a circuit breaker or a fuse?
Fuse, all fuses.
It's all fuses on these bikes?
I think so.
Well, I guarantee we just blew a fuse. Do you have any more of the fuses? If so, I got to make a stop and get some. That's why you never put fuses on motorcycles. You should always have breakers. And there must be fuses because we got fuses all over the place. Maybe that's why the lights didn't work. A blown fuse.
Cruise brake, radio, siren, battery, accessories, 15 amp. Accessories. 1, 2, 3 down, right?
Do you have any 15 amp fuses?
I got one here for sure.
Those are extras.
Yeah.
Might need some more.
Yep. I have some somewhere else too.
Especially if I start working your bike anymore.
Accessories. Where it's showing 4.
This one? One of these two?
Let's see what this guy looks like. He's still there.
Yep.
Still there?
It's connected.
He's still there.
Yeah. Well, we're
Still
good.
there.
Run this row here. That's the one we need to be on.
He's gone. Right?
I can't see it on my dangle. Put some light to it. See anything in there?
Black.
Black is not good.
Here's my headlamp. Everything around all day. Here it is.
Put an ohm meter across it, but you gotta get out of here, so we'll deal with this later. Just gotta get some 15 amp fuses.
That looks blown to me, doesn't it?
Alright, well. Try a new one. One right here, right?
Yep. Yeah, this is the right guy.
Hope that one's not blown too. Going black too.
Doesn't appear to be.
Okay.
Let's see. There it is. 15.
All right. Let's see if we got power now.
See if this works. Way to start.
No light there. Why don't we get too close to where I did it before? So. Okay, I need to get
We
this.
got power there.
Here, disconnect this and hook
See
it to
this? That's the cigarette lighter.
Yeah.
We got power there.
Okay, disconnect this and put this to the fork. Go right to this bolt here. Okay, we got power. Okay, now we go over here. The dash is on right now, right?
Yeah, dash is on.
We have no power to these circuits up here.
Let me check the rest of these on here.
Yeah, none of these things have power to them, that's why they're not working. Do you have a small jumper wire?
Turns out I do.
These are all dead. No power. Now, if I had a power probe, I can put power to it and see the circuit work, but I don't have that. I have a jumper wire though, somewhere over there. I don't know why he hides his jumper wires, you can't get to them.
Power probe? You like a mile-meter thing?
No, you actually can energize power through it.
I think I have one of those too.
So we need power to
Go
circuit. If I had a long one, I could run off the battery, but I don't have a long one. Okay, we're gonna have to get off of here with a little screwdriver. You could probably use this. Here, put this in there. Just hold that there. Let me get past her here. And she's gonna see a gauge. Do you see something come out on the other end there? Blink, blink, blink. Anything?
It's my oil light coming on and off when you do that.
The light's coming on now?
My oil light.
Okay, what about over here, this one? The headlight, the bright light's coming on? Should be able to see it.
Let's see anything coming on it.
Nothing's happening?
No.
Okay, but the oil light, when I turn this right here, that turns the bright light on?
This turns my oil light on my dash.
Oh, I'm turning the dash oil light on. The ignition's on now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Why would that be coming on?
I don't know. It does. When you do that.
What about down here? No light come on?
Take this stuff off there. Now do it again. Makes that little oil light come on for whatever reason.
Okay, alright, pull that off. Alright, that doesn't make sense.
Alright.
Alright, what the other stuff later? Here, don't poke yourself. I don't know why the idiot light's coming on. That should be already hooked up, but that circuit's dead. We
Maybe
got
the bike has to be running for that stuff to come on?
no, I'm powering up right there. We got dead. The lights for the gauge should all come on because they're made to be looked at night. So if they're dark, there's no light. So that doesn't make sense. All right. Anyway, we'll play with this later.